It's really simple, guys. So like the way I thought about this question is when you see a new letter, you simply need to add another let's say you have a key value. Let's say you have an index value here. Let's say you have egg. So we have an index here. This is called index. And so it starts at 0. When we start at 0, E is gonna be 0. And this is gonna be added 1. And if we see a new letter, such as G, it's gonna be 1. But the next value, G is already, we've already seen G. Or, but, you know, it's like G could also be here. Like, let's say there's an A here. This could be 2. But G is still, but we've already seen G. G is already assigned to 1, so it's gonna be 1. So that's really how you wanna, that's how I sort of thought about this question. So that way, whenever we get something like this, FU, foobar, then it just makes sense that this will be 0, this will be 1, and then it's gonna be 1. And for BAR, the rule doesn't work. So the rule will work, so 0, 1, and then 2. Because R and A and R are different. And so all you need to do is to get some sort of like counter to assign the key and the value of the index that you see it. Okay. Good. So I'm gonna just create a function here, like a generic function, iso, and then we'll call it word. And actually, we may want to test this out. So first, what I want to do is want to create a counter. Default ink, and then an index. And simply go over to one of the words. Okay, so we can test this. And then let's say if we have not seen ch in our counter, then we simply want to assign it with index. So let's say counter of s, counter of ch going to be assigned with 0, so index 0. Then we want to increment this by 1 so that the next value is going to be 1. And then we want to store it somewhere. So back to the where example is, so we're going to store these values here somewhere. So let's say it's going to be a result. Append index, so that's going to be 0. And then if the opposite would be, we would simply want to assign it, we would simply want to return the value that we have seen it before. And then we want to return, let's say we want to return result. Simply want to print result here. And you should find it should print out 0.11, 0.11. Now, once you have that, then you can apply it anywhere. Then you can create a function here, call it word, and then it should give you list. So that here you can use this, and all you need to do is pass in any letters, both letters, and compare them. So that basically compare ISO with E and ISO with, that should be it. Yep. There we go. So that's a big O. I'd say that's big O N, and